Welcome to the Fast Courier WooCommerce shipping plugin tutorial. Today we're going to run through setting up the plugin. Firstly, start at the WordPress plugin website. Search for the Fast Courier shipping plugin and download. Inside WordPress, go to your plugins section, click Add New, select the file and install. Following this, you're going to need to activate the plugin. Now you will see the activated plugin and its menu options available on the left panel. If you click on this, you'll see that you need to create an account. Here we recommend signing up with a preferred or dedicated shipping email. Inside the plugin, you'll find that there are 4 tabs. The first tab is the merchant billing section. Please complete this to ensure you receive all correct correspondence. Following this, we have a number of various shipping options below, which we will address later in videos. Once completed, remember to save your profile and activate the account. On the next tab, you'll find the payment methods. Here, you'll need to input a credit card or a debit card to facilitate booking. Following this, we have the pickup locations. Here, the Fast Courier plugin allows you to put in multiple pickup locations to service your needs. The 4th tab we have is product mapping. Here, all of your products will be listed, and we have a number of ways to import dimensions, assign locations, modify, and update your dimensions for shipping. First, let's run through an imported dimension case. Here, click on the import dimensions, download the sample CSV. Here you will be able to see the format that we have for our products. In this case, we have one product here which is without dimensions. By simply filling out the CSV with correct dimensions and uploading it, we'll be able to correct this. The dimensions have now been updated. Next, we want to assign a location to a specific product. Click Assign Location, and all locations saved in the Pickup Location area of the previous tab will be available to select and assign. Next, we're going to manually assign dimensions. Select the product that you're looking to modify. Click Manually Assign Dimensions button. Here you'll find all of the options are available to customize that particular product's dimensions. Now we're going to map our products to the WooCommerce database. Please note this will overwrite the dimensions and weight within the WooCommerce fields. Lastly, we need to assign shipping boxes. Here you can add all sorts of package types that you have in your inventory and assign them to various products. This provides a general summary of how to set up the basics of the Fast Courier shipping plugin.